On Sunday the 15th of December, we're going to have a child and baby dedication service. So if you have a child or a baby that you would like to be dedicated on that Sunday, then please speak to one of the leadership team.
The measure of my worth, your blood.
We've got some late night worship coming up for you during the Friday of half term, which is the 1st of November. So come along from 7 o'clock while there'll be chilled out worship, some low lighting, and just a time and a space for you to encounter God. So join us for late night worship on Friday, the 1st of November.
It's shouting down the light. Hey. Oh, it echoes through.
There's 5 Wednesdays in the month of October, which means on the 30th we have our next leadership development night. Everybody is welcome, and we've got our guest speaker who is Andy Aston from Arise Church. So if you'd like to come along, that starts at 7:30 p.m. on the 30th of October.
Down the light. It echoes through the night.
If you're new to church here at Excel, then we'd love you to come and join us for a coffee and cakes evening, which will be on Saturday the 9th of November, starting at 6 p.m. So we invite you to come along, get to know the leadership and the vision of Excel Church, and find out how you can serve here as well. Come and join us for coffee and cakes. Make sure you let us know so that we can get enough cake for you.
Oh, it's making all things right. The precious blood of Christ speaks a better word.
That's everything for Excel News, but ladies, remember, this is the last chance to get your tickets for our Devoted Conference, which is taking place this Saturday from 9:30 a.m. So get your tickets, get yourself booked in. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel News.